Hello, welcome to the Harlingen Public Library. My name is Margaret.
And my name's Naomi.
And today we're going to be doing our favorite smoothies. They're healthy, delicious. Naomi will be taking over how to do these favorite smoothies that we love.
I love smoothies for breakfast, so I tend to always try to just throw things together and see if it tastes good. So lately I've been actually reading some books and looking into some books to try to see if I can make better smoothies. So one of the things that I love to do is green smoothies. And I got a really good recipe. You know, these books here that we have at the Harlingen Public Library are really good informational stuff that you can actually look through to do some smoothies. But this green smoothie is gonna be great. You need a blender, first of all. And these are some of the ingredients you're going to need. Spinach is one of the major ones that we're gonna be using. And we have a little bit of sweetness. We're gonna put banana and a green apple and some avocado, okay? So let's go ahead and start. So it takes a full banana. You can do half if you don't like too much of the flavor of the banana.
There's not that many ingredients to this, so it's perfect.
It's perfect, it's quick. So I put that in there. And then if you like it a little thicker, it's good to put some ice.
Or you can also have your bananas frozen if you want. If you don't want ice on it, freeze your banana overnight.
Really good idea. Really good idea. Just maybe a handful of ice.
Yeah, there you go.
Then I'm gonna put an apple, a full green apple. And then it's a full cup of spinach. So you need a palette in there because it withers down a lot and has a lot of water in it, so you need to kind of push it down in and pack it in there. So see how well I packed it in? Wow, so that's about a cup. And then the avocado. And you can do a full avocado, you can do half.
So is this smoothie also for maybe energy?
It does. It gives you a lot of energy throughout the day. And of course, you need some liquid in the smoothie. So I tend to use almond milk. So we're using
1/2 or a cup and a half.
A cup and a half of almond milk. And plus, this is going to help it smooth out. Okay, so now it's done. And we're gonna go ahead and pour it out. Let me go over the ingredients one more time. So the green smoothies ingredients are a cup and a half of milk. Any type of milk that you're interested in, that's fine. Spinach, I did a cup of spinach. You can go up to 2 cups. It's really up to you. A whole banana. It's best if it would be frozen because it gives it more of a texture in the smoothie. 1 apple. And you can cut that in those slices when you put it in, and a half of avocado to get that fat in there.
Okay.
So let's taste this.
Let's see. Not too much.
Here you go.
That's for you. And that's for you.
Okay. Moment of
Cheers.
truth. Let's see if we like this.
Cheers. Oh my goodness.
It's good.
It's
really
very good.
I really like
Very
this.
good. I mainly taste the apple and the banana.
The spinach is not really in there. Like, you really can't taste it.
No.
And so it's really good. It has a sweet flavor to it. It's not overly sweet. It's just perfect.
Very good.
Okay, for our next smoothie, it's gonna involve some strawberries. So we're gonna add some strawberries to the smoothie because it gives us some extra benefits like antioxidants.
There you go. Yes.
Yes, and they're really, really good. So I'm gonna cut these down a little bit. You don't have to cut them down too much, just enough to give you the color and the benefits of it.
Now, can we also have these frozen?
Oh, actually, that's a better tip. That's a really good tip that you brought up.
Okay.
If you have frozen strawberries and frozen bananas, or your fruits are frozen, you don't have to use ice. So I'm using ice right now. So we're gonna go ahead and add the strawberries in here. I'm gonna use 2 bananas. in this smoothie. The last smoothie we only used one. And now, I'm pretty sure you guys know about this, but the more yellow, the less sugary it's gonna taste. If it's more ripe, which has more brown on the outside, it's gonna have a little bit more sugar and it's gonna be more sweet. Okay, now the next ingredient we're gonna have is Greek yogurt. So we're gonna add some of this Greek yogurt in here. You can do half a
So
cup.
the yogurt makes it more smooth?
Yeah,
Okay.
AKA smoothie. The type of liquid I'm gonna be going ahead and using is some almond milk, and it's 1.5 cups.
So we found some recipes in our library book too that's almost similar to that, but this one is strawberry veggie smoothies. So if you want to check these out, come on down to our library. We have them here too.
To give it, I guess a step up, I like to use some vanilla. So just a teaspoon of vanilla. You can just measure it. Okay, and so it was frozen strawberries. It would have been frozen strawberries, bananas, Greek yogurt, vanilla extract, and almond milk. Okay. So let's go ahead and whip this up. Okay. Usually I'm gonna give you guys some more tips as well. I'll let you pour that out. Also, you can add chia seeds, flax seeds, protein powder, peanut butter, honey, and then you can also put spinach and kale in this. And to make it, this was a very simple recipe, but you can always add more to that.
Let's try it.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Yep, this is good. Yep.
I can really taste the banana in this one.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
So enjoy, have a great day. Come over to the library and check out some of our books.
Thank you for being with us today.